What you're about to hear is commentary from Lionel, a former prosecutor, legal analyst, and nationally syndicated broadcaster. His views are presented here under Section 107 of the Copyright Act, which allows for the use of copyrighted material for criticism, commentary, education, and news reporting. This clip is used solely for the purpose of exposing serious concerns about prosecutorial integrity, judicial impartiality, and the erosion of due process in the federal prosecution of Sean Diddy Combs. I'm not here to defend personal behavior. I'm here to defend the rule of law. Because when the government overreaches, when it bends the statutes, misuses victims, and poisons a courtroom with prejudice, it's not just about one man, it's about all of us. And if the law can be undone for someone like Diddy, it can be undone for you too. Now listen closely to what Lionel is saying, not about fame, not about lifestyle, but about the fundamentals of criminal justice. Then we'll come back and discuss what the judge just did in denying a motion for mistrial and why that moment may go down as one of the most dangerous failures of judicial oversight in recent memory.
Please check out Lionel Legal's YouTube channel.
Emotionally rather than intellectually. The Federal Rule of Evidence 403, mirrored in many jurisdictions, allows for the exclusion of evidence, even if its probative value is there, but is substantially outweighed by the danger of unfair prejudice, confusing the issues, or misleading the jury. That's what they're going to hang the appeal on. Now here, that danger has materialized in full force. I mean, it is radioactive. And witnesses have testified to events that span years, some of which are temporarily, and temporally, I should say, and substantively disconnected from the indictment. The introduction of allegations involving third parties, non-criminal conduct, or consensual relationships and hookups, however unconventional and weird and freaky in the freak-offs, does little to illuminate whether the specific conduct alleged in the charges in the indictment occurred in a criminal fashion.
You can see the rest of this video on his channel, Lionel Legal.
What you just heard should stop this trial cold, but it didn't. Instead, the judge denied the defense's motion for a mistrial, not on legal grounds, but while throwing shade at defense attorney Nicole Westmoreland. That kind of judicial posturing might play well in headlines, but it's intellectually dishonest and ethically bankrupt in a federal courtroom. The prosecution has yet to prove any shared financial interest, coordinated enterprise, or actual value exchange that RICO requires. There is no racketeering motive, no unified criminal goal, only a collection of salacious memories weaponized to create a sense of guilt through emotion, not law. Federal Rule of Evidence 403 is not a suggestion, it's a safeguard, and it's been ignored entirely. Meanwhile, victims are being re-traumatized, families are being destroyed, and the public is forced to witness what amounts government-sponsored degradation ritual masquerading as justice. This is not how the law is supposed to work. This isn't just bias, it's malpractice in motion. And I will say it plainly, this trial should have never proceeded. Not under the Constitution, not under RICO, and certainly not in the name of justice.